Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. As you can see, antivirus already disappeared of Windows Defense. Today, I will show you how to make it. If you want to turn off Windows Defense, absolutely, you can follow my guide. Okay, let's start. First step, you hover the cursor to start object, right click to run and type ms config and OK. Go to Bootstrap and click Save Mode and Apply and OK. Restart. Okay, this is Save Mode window. Next step, you go to File Explorer. Go this PC. In this, you type C:\program data. Enter. Go to Microsoft and Windows Defender. In this folder, you right-click in Platform folder. Show more options. Property, go to Security and Advanced. In here, you click Change, Advanced, Find Now. In here, you choose Administrator and OK. OK. In this window, you stick in Replace Our on subcontroller and object. Stick in Replace on child object permission. You choose one by one and remove. You remove all. Okay. Apply. Yes. Okay. Turn off. You hover the cursor to start object again. Right click. Run ms config. Okay. Go to Bootstrap and stick. Apply. Okay. Restart. Now go to Windows Defense to check. As you can see, antivirus already disappeared. But I recommend you do it if you don't have other antivirus software to protect your computer. Now, if you want to turn on again antivirus, you follow my guide. First, you restart again in safe mode. In this window, you go to File Explorer again. Choose this PC. You type C:\program data. Enter. Microsoft Windows Defender. Right click again in Platform folder. Show more options. Property, Security, Advanced. In here, you click Add, select a printer, Advanced, Find Now, choose Administrator. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now we go back. Normal window. Yeah. Now Windows Security already have a full function as before. Okay, so I already showed you how to turn off Windows Defense absolutely and turn on again. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.